Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 things that you should avoid if you want nice, clear and clean pores. And also watch out this space because in the next video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 things that you should do if you want to prevent yourself from breakouts. So what are we waiting for? Let's get in. Don't frequently use blotting paper. Naturally, your face should have oils, so it's perfectly right to take that shine off, but don't do it too often. I know it is so satisfying to see that blotting paper that changed the color into something transparent, but trust me, as more often you are doing it, you will see that your face will try to produce even more sebum just to protect itself. So make more sebum, it's gonna be more pores, more blocked pores. Quick tip, if you don't have blotting paper on you and there is a desperate moment when you need it, you can use tissue paper. You just need to separate the plies like this and use it as you are using the blotting paper. I'm good to go now. Don't forcibly extract blackheads, pimples, whiteheads. I know, we all have those moments when we see something, we want to pop it out, but it's kind of not right because it's not ready yet. If you are still doing it, then you should be aware that there are two major problems that may come. You can actually rupture the pimple inside and all the bacteria will be spread underneath the skin. And guess what? In the end, it's going to be inflamed, it's going to be irritated, and all of this could be avoided if you just didn't touch it. If you don't use an extractor and you are, as I am, and you are using your fingernails, then you can easily dig into the skin and that will cause a scar. So you will end up having a nice and beautiful scar without extracting anything at all, and all of this could be avoided. Again, I'm saying this if you just didn't touch it. So I know it is satisfying, it is very satisfying, but please don't do it. Don't over-exfoliate. By over-exfoliating it, you are actually irritating the skin, and this means that it's gonna start producing more sebum because it's gonna try to protect itself, and more sebum, more pores. Voila! Don't retouch your makeup too often. I know, after a few hours, your face already produced so much oil, especially if it's hot outside. So you will get some blotting paper because you want to take that shine off, or you will just add some powder because you want to retouch your makeup, which is absolutely normal. But imagine one thing. You wake up in the morning, you are doing your makeup, you are adding foundation, concealer, powder, everything that you can add to have that nice skin, and you are going outside. When you are going outside, there is dust, there is dirt, and everything will be on top of everything that you added on your face before. Around lunchtime, you need to retouch your makeup. And what are you doing? You are adding powder on top of it. It's gonna be like you are cementing down everything. And this means that you will block your pores. More blocked pores, more sebum produced by your skin. Another thing that is very important to do is to clean our makeup brushes or our sponges. You may say that it's not a huge problem because it's my makeup brush, is my sponge, I'm not using on someone else. Let's say that you are using them this morning and you are not cleaning them. Tomorrow you are gonna use them again and without washing them before, and this means that all the product that you've been using yesterday is gonna be dry in your makeup brushes and in your makeup sponges, and you are applying that all over your face again. Oh, just clean your makeup brushes at least once a week, please. Don't eat food that is bad for pores. Everything that is high in sugars, such as donuts, ice cream, chocolate, I know everything that is good on this world, it's actually bad for our pores. It doesn't mean that we can't have it at all, but we just need to have it moderately. Also, spicy food and alcohol are not right for our skin. When you are drinking alcohol, your skin gets dehydrated, and when the skin gets dehydrated, it's gonna produce more sebum. More sebum, of course, more pores. These were the 5 top things that you have to avoid if you want to have good pores. If you want to see the top 5 things that you have to do and how to clean your pores to have nice skin, then watch out this space. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on that ring bell button because very soon I am back with all the details. See you next time!